After the fun we had last year, we just had to make it a return trip to Costa Rica for spring break 2024. It was an epic week full of wonder, adventure, and some of the most magical places that we have ever had a chance to explore. Where'd you make it to, little pig?
Costa Rica.
What do you think about horseback riding? You like it? No, didn't like it. We quit.
One hot springs!
It's a river crossing. Ah! I don't know, it's pretty cool. Is this place cool? Hi. Are you too tired for video?
Yes. And Leona's done.
That's cool. Do you like it? No! Oh, it's mango. It's so good.
You should try some of this one,
Yeah.
Sammy. I think you'd like that one.
Do you like that one? No, you don't like that one either? Loose tooth in Costa Rica.
Sona has one too. Her first loose tooth.
No rapido. Kind of rapido.
Guys, I forgot. We're the kids.
Why are you in the back of a truck?
I don't know.
I'm very boats in the back of this truck. Now that we've settled in, it was time for a really special day. A trek, a journey, a quest up a rugged, jungle-lined river to what is touted as one of the most magical places in all of Costa Rica. Come on, ladies. Let's go find the La Leona Waterfall. You gotta pee?
Oh my gosh. Guys, isn't this cool?
But like this, not like this week or this month, like that.
Are they doing good?
He's trying to acclimate.
Alright, go for it. Good job.
Everyone together now.
Everyone together.
Yeah,
You ready? Yeah. Yeah. This is amazing! What? Where are you going, Pete? Water, little Pete. Zoe, what did you think? Yes or no?
Thumbs up or thumbs... Oh!
Thank you, Offie Tours, and especially our guide, Steven, for helping our family get to this amazing place.
Way to go, girl! Woo! I'm so proud of you.
Such a cool place and a unique experience. And the girls absolutely crushed it.
Ooh, look at that. It's a smile like you got.
But the day was young, the weather was hot, and the water was still calling. It's not a lazy river, kids. It's time for the crazy river.
Lost me there. He says this is the big one. Jump, Zoe? Yeah? You gonna try it? Alright. Where's a family of jumpers? 3, 2, 1. Woo! 3, 2, 1. Girl, you did it! Can you believe it? Can you believe it? So was it fun? Was it scary? Yeah, well, you did it. She's not going.
3, 2, 1. You can do it.
Respect the countdown.
3, 2, 1, go!
Arms out, arms out.
I did it! That's fun. I did it.
The fun never stops in Costa Rica.
Hey, buddy. Oh my.
Summit, go to your shadow. Go to your shadow. Do your shadow.
Whoa.
Summit did that all in 3 days. No, 4. Well, 4 probably.
She didn't work on it that much the first day, though.
That's pretty cool. Laura and I agree. That was the coolest adventure day we've ever had with the girls.
Where are we going? To the jungle?
There's the jungle!
Our next stop was the Rio Celeste Hideaway Hotel. A true luxury resort in the middle of the jungle.
What?
This place was
Look what that
world-class paradise.
Shower. Outside shower.
Froggy, froggy, frog, frog, frog.
This is the fanciest pool you've ever been to. Don't you think?
Probably.
We can. Oh no, Costa Rica.
As night falls over the rainforest, it's time for science class, kids. We discovered why it's called the living jungle. And before long, we even found the iconic Costa Rica red-eyed tree frog.
And that might come into the
How many legs does a centipede have?
100.
Whoa, nice. How do you know that? Isn't this a pretty restaurant?
Yeah. Look at the lights.
The actual draw to go this far off into the jungle was another river adventure that I've always wanted to do.
This is the prettiest blue river I've ever seen.
Tubing the Rio Celeste, the bluest river in the whole world.
Bye. Bye. I like the monkeys. There's some monkeys. Yeah. What's up? What's up? Rock. Woo! Woohoo! They're coming. Look at the beautiful jungle behind you.
The rapids on the Rio Celeste were much more manageable for the girls. And spotting monkeys in the canopy and colorful butterflies fluttering everywhere as we floated, this magical blue river was something out of this world. I've spent a lot of time on rivers in my life, but I can say without a doubt, the Rio Celeste is my new all-time favorite river.
Yeah.
Can you do it?
It's not as easy as it's.
Making chocolate melt, girl. Do you like Costa Rica chocolate?
Yeah. Is it good?
That's your kind of chocolate, isn't it, Pete?
Is that good?
Tastes like Nutella.
After a quick stop learning how they make chocolate in Costa Rica, it was one last drive to a pretty incredible place.
Can you say volcano?
Volcano.
That's pretty awesome. That's where we're gonna stay. Right at the bottom. Cool. Let's go. Gracias. Yeah. So, hey guys. Open the door. Go out all the way to the edge, Sammy. What?
Is that slide part of ours?
Yeah.
What?
Slides and what? Volcano? Anybody see a volcano?
The last few days we spent lounging around the dozens of hot springs pools at Baldy Hot Springs Resort in La Fortuna.
Front flip. And back flip.
With no clouds or rain this year,
Then you're gonna
the famous Arenal volcano was in full view for our last days.
There's mommy back there. It's so pretty.
One last ATV ride through the jungle was a great way to wrap up a trip we'll never forget. As always, until next time, Costa Rica, Pura Vida.